Today I'm going to be doing just like a day in my life kind of thing. I'm going to just record what I'm doing because why not? So I'm going to put the camera on everything. Today I'm going to be organizing some of my crystals and maybe labeling them. So that's the whole process, and yeah, let me get started on that. I have so much to do, but I'm finna turn on some music and we finna get it popping. Here I have some celestite. Honestly, I might keep this for myself. More of that. I just have amethyst, labradorite. This is the shiniest one. So a crystal water bottle that I'm sampling, along with 2 jade rollers that I'm sampling. This kit that I'm sampling as well. And then lots of selenite because I have some bundles that I need to do with those. And with this ring light, they look really nice. Pretty babies. Celestite is used for meditation and mindfulness, and for me personally, it's a really calming effect, and it's just beautiful. Now I actually won't be bagging this one because it's too big, but also because I want to keep this for my own personal collection. It's one of the most beautiful stones I've ever had, so now it's mine. So now I'm moving on to the amethyst. These are really dark purple, really good quality. This one right here has these small little deposits on them. I'm assuming they're from another mineral growing on top, but that's pretty interesting. They look like tiny little grapes. Okay, moving on, we are to the next Amethyst section. These ones are a little bit more of a pastel color as opposed to the dark deep purple of the other ones, and also they have like bigger clusters. The other ones were smaller, but right now I'm just kind of showing you what they look like individually, and they're all pretty much the same weight. I still need to figure out how I'm going to price these individually, but that's something I have to work on. This next one that I'm going to show you actually looks like a little Christmas tree, which was kind of cool. And Christmas is coming up, so maybe you can snag it as a little Christmas gift. So moving on to my last crystal organization, this is the Labradorite, which is really good for creating like an aura, strengthening shield around you. It also can resonate with the throat chakra, which can help with anything from speaking up for yourself or anything like that. Now these were originally supposed to be palm stones when I ordered them, but they are a bit bigger. Or maybe it's because I have a small hand, and this is how palm stones actually look. Anyhow, they're also not as flashy as I was hoping for when I got them from the supplier, but they will still work for their intended purposes. I love me a good crystal with a nice little flash, just like a tiger's eye, but except for this one, it has some blues, which is my favorite color. It has blues, greens, and yellows, and when you hit it at the right angle, it's just perfect. Moving on to some of the samples that I have that I need to put away. I have my actual jade roller right there, and then I have the rose quartz jade roller. And the difference between the two is obviously the crystal, but the rose quartz has like a goldish wiring around it, and then the actual jade one has like a brass dusty gold to it. But I haven't used jade rollers myself, so I want to sample them on my own face before I sell them. But apparently they're really anti-inflammatory and they flush out toxins on your face. Next, I have my rose quartz elixir water bottle. I want to sell these on the shop, and I want to try them first to see, you know, what they do or whatever. The quality of this water bottle is actually really good. It's like a good stainless steel like glass that feels like it's not going to break easily, unlike my IKEA glass that just broke the other day. And then it has these removable wands then that you can put inside the water bottle. You can change those out. So that's pretty cool, and I'm going to start using these soon for myself, and if I get good feedback I might add those to the shop in the future. I would love to see what each water bottle does for us, the differences, and if I actually feel a difference, because I haven't tried those crystal water bottles before. This one right here is my chakra tumble kit set. So it has a selenite plate underneath, and it has the 7 chakra stones right there, and I don't know if I got them in the correct order, to be honest, because the black one I was like, what's that supposed to be? because usually it goes by the colors of the chakra. Okay, so this one is black obsidian, and then that one is red jasper. Then next we will have citrine, actual citrine. Then we have some green aventurine, also good for money manifestation. All right, so then we have some sodalite. It's supposed to be sodalite, but it could be lapis. I would have to double check on the order. Then we have some amethyst, which is one of my favorites for intuition. Lastly, we have some clear quartz, which is great for your crown chakra, also your connection to the divine and just higher consciousness overall. So I wanted to show you what was in my sample bin, because I also have a bunch of sage that I was sampling from another vendor, and they're all really cool. I'm really fascinated by dragon's blood sage for some reason, because it's just so interesting. I actually never heard of that before. So I will be burning these throughout the house periodically. Alright, so now that I've done all that stuff, I think I'm finna get started on wrapping the sage bundles. I have all this selenite, Palo Santo, and sage, so I'm finna get to that after I probably take a break, because your girl is a little famished, a little parched. I'll be back soon. Hello again. I am back, and now I'm gonna get back to the sage bundle. I'm gonna wrap these up. Somebody's being loud.
No way you hit me.
God, he's so fucking loud.
You said first time so much smack.
So I want to talk about this sage because I'm very impressed by the quality of it. Now, as I said in the last few clips, but I was sampling sage from other suppliers, and this sage is like real high quality. I mean, it's really soft, which is normal, but it's very thick. And I'm going to show you another sage so you can actually compare the two. But this sage versus the other sage, you can see that there's like a big difference. So one of them is mostly sticks, one is mostly leaves, and then one's obviously thicker, so it's going to last longer. I also like the smell of this sage. It smells really good. Some sage has like a musty smell for some reason, like out before you even burn it. This one just smells like a mintiness or something like that. So next I'm going to be wrapping these up with some twine that I also got from Amazon from a pretty decent price. And this is the Palo Santo, which is from Mexico. It's also sustainably harvested, which I really, care about because, save the planet. And then to finish it off, I'm going to wrap it up with some selenite, which is about 4 to 6 inches long, with the varying thickness, so they all kind of add up to each other. Okay, I am back, and it is about 2 hours later. I finished the rest of my movie, and I watched a YouTube video, and I just did as much as I could. I did all of these, so basically, I just finished them until I was finished with the Palo Santo. I don't even know how much this is. I have to count it. It's supposed to be at least 50. So I'm going to count this and organize it. I'm going to see if it can fit in these bags. If not, then I'll just put them up. Then I still have at least another 50 amount of sage that's just separate that I'll sell separately. But I have finished with the sage windows. Okay. So I am back over here. Now I'm probably going to go on Amazon because I do need to order some more stuff to sage. We don't want to have that perfume basically all the time. So in order to keep that at bay, I'm going to put those in some little bags, and then I can just store them inside my inventory thing. And I'll probably do that. I'm going to try to find some recyclable ones or biodegradable if I can. So another thing I've been doing is saving bubble wrap. Because when you get crystals from the suppliers, they wrap it in a lot of bubble wrap. More than you feel like is needed, but at the same time, you know, they rather be safe than sorry. So I get it, but basically I feel like I'll never have to buy bubble wrap because like each crystal comes with a bunch of bubble wrap and I can just reuse it. No need to buy bubble wrap when you have an unlimited supply. And also it saves money, so why not? Well, again, I'm gonna put on my earbuds and watch some YouTube. Alright, hello. Pretty much I'm just on Amazon. I need to buy a few more things. I've been trying to finish my black and white logo so I can make a stamp with it. But the program I use, GIMP, is not really working today. It keeps crashing. I just need to do a couple finishing touches on that. And for the rest of the night, I'm pretty much gonna do that, chill, maybe work on some other stuff, eat. But that was a kind of day in my life. More like towards the afternoon and just a part of it. But yeah, I just wanted to do like a crystal haul type of video and like a vlog style. It's 6:40, but it feels really late and I'm tired. But yeah, my next video will probably be another one of these videos, like a vlog style, because it's actually pretty easy and I can multitask. I can do what I need to do and make a video, and I see that as a win-win. But yeah, I'm kind of preparing for some stuff. I also have some more stuff I didn't even show y'all, the bracelets, but I can probably do another video on that because there's so much. But yeah, I'll be back with that video next, making some bracelets. And thank you for tuning in, and when I open up shop, I hope to see you there. Ugh, I can't even wink. Okay, anyhow, well, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out.